Hi, this is Mr. Maginnis. I'm going to show you how to make a cut paper flower. All right, let's get started. So I get a regular piece of paper, 9 by 12 here. Any paper really will work. Fold that in half lengthwise. And you're going to want to draw 8 petals on it. Now you can cut your own stencil to make all 8 petals the same from an index card. So there's 8. Or else I can do it freehand, which is what I prefer to do. I got some extra paper here. I'll just end up cutting that off. Actually, first, before I do any cutting, I'm going to do some coloring. It's a good idea to color before you cut to save some time, and I'll show you why. Because I can be pretty reckless with how I color. Now I can cut this. I'm going to color the other 3 sides. Okay, coloring's done. I'm going to cut it down that center line, which I've already folded. Then I'm going to line these up. You don't have to line these up together. You can do this by separately, but this maybe saves you a little time if you're a careful cutter. On the first one, cut halfway. On the second, third one, halfway. On the fourth, fifth one, cut halfway. And on the 7th one, halfway. Now, this is going to let me weave these. Watch how this works. So I'm going to put these together. Red's on top. Then I'm going to weave that. Weave again. And weave one more time. Now, I'm going to fold these. Each two, let's hold it down. Until the whole stack is flat. Now, get a separate piece of paper, fold in half, and put your flower on that center line. Glue stick this generously. And the same thing on the other side. And then close it in there. And now, this is the perfect basis to make a card. And that's how you do a cut paper rainbow flower. But you can use any colors you want, of course.